Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today you're joining me in my hoodie, which has cows on it, because it's freezing, basically, in a nutshell. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nicole. I love makeup and colour. And today we're talking about one of my favourite videos to make. We're doing my P.Louise. This is the January box. Tune into your favourite brand apparently. You will all know, if you have watched my most recent P.Louise videos, I've not been so positive about the budget boxes lately. Somebody did comment on one of my videos the other day, like, just remember these are for working makeup artists, which yes I do get, but I think a lot of P.Louise is marketed towards consumers as well, so I'm kind of coming at it from the point of view of a consumer. I'm afraid we're not going to be very positive again. This is what this month's box looks like when you open it up. So let's get into what I think. First off, let's do the magazine. We have got another one of these this month. This is the Fruity Fix setting spray. This is the orange scent flavour. I want to call it a flavour, but I know it's a scent. I do like getting these. I think they're fun. It like compares them to the other setting sprays in the range. So the Thirst Seeker, the Ready Set Slay, and Fix It Up, and it kind of tells you everything about those and what's different about this one basically, which is cute. I like that. Let's give it a sniff. It's just a very like subtle orange scent. I quite like that. I feel like I'll get through that pretty quickly on the whole. Right. Okay, speaking of getting through things very quickly. This is a box of minis. I like minis. I think these are really cute. My issue is with these, well, basically, it will soon be revealed. So the first thing we've got in here is a little mini lipstick. This is the shade Wifey Material. Beautiful shade. Very, very lovely shade. Very cute mini. Every single thing in this box has a keychain on it. Now, I know we got like a lanyard a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, sorry, but that went straight in the bin. But every single thing in this box has a keychain on it. So we've got a mini tear-proof mascara, which I really like this mascara. It's kind of hard to get off. So possibly not the best thing for travel. Oh, okay. 14 years later, we are in the box. Oh my god, I can't get it out. It's frigging keychain stuck. Okay, mini tear-proof. It has got a very, very similar brush, just slightly smaller. Then we've got the Silky Serum in Peach Spritz, which looks like that. It's got a little tube on it. That smells really good, actually. I like that a lot. And again, I will use all this stuff. It's just the premise of it. We've got a sparkling and sweet lip oil. Again, it's just so cumbersome. Like, I mean, I'm sure like a 8-9-year-old would like love this, but an 8-9-year-old also doesn't need waterproof mascara. That smells sparkling and sweet. That kind of smells like Coke. Not sure about that one. Not sure what it's meant to smell of. We have, so attached, this is lash glue. I'm excited to try this. I like to try new lash glue. Again, I'm not being like super negative because I'm being a dick. I'm being super negative because it just seems strange. So that's the lash glue. Like in the sense of like, this is for makeup artists. This box does not, no. If I was a makeup artist, I wouldn't want any of this. We've got a little lip liner again with a keychain. This is Keep It Casual. That is a really nice shade. It's going to pair really nicely with the lipstick, obviously. This is probably the best thing in this box, I think. This is the Thirst Seeker setting spray. This one's on like a little like pull. It's just a little thingy which I'm going to take off. So it's like a little lanyard thing rather than like an actual keychain. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm just going to throw this in my work bag just if my skin's feeling a little bit dehydrated. I like that. I really like that one. That's without doubt for me the best thing in the box. Okay, we have a oh so Beautiful gel. This is Baby Chino, the clear one. I've not even opened the big one that I've got. It's just a clear brow gel. Again, why that needs to be on a keyring, I do not know. We've got a Protect Your Pout mini. Again, this one is in Peach Spritz. Does that smell like peach? Does a little bit. So that's that one. I will use that. I've gone through a couple of like the full size of those, so I'll definitely use it. And to be fair, this is probably the first box we've had that I will use everything out of it. It's just a matter of whether I would through choice, if you know what I mean. And then we've got a P.Louise Skin Scrub Club Lip Exfoliator in Beach Buzz. Surely this has not got a key ring on it. It can't. Who's taking their lip scrub on the go? Why? Why? I don't know. I'm sorry. No, that's not something that normal people do. Just want to get in it so I know what it smells like. Oh, this smells like Malibu and Coke. Okay, so we've got like Peach Spritz and Malibu and Coke products with key rings on them. So that would make me think this is aimed towards adults. But they've got key rings on them, which makes me think it's aimed at children. That does smell delicious. So yeah, basically I think this box is confused. Now, I couldn't tell you the cost of any of these things because they don't actually sell them. I am essentially going to try and get as many of these key rings off as I can. Either that or I'll like key ring them all together and use it as a giant like project pan product. I do not understand. I'm going to be honest, I don't get the vibe of this box. This is not for makeup artists, in my experience. Why would a makeup artist want a tiny serum, a tiny lipstick? That to me makes no sense. Now, obviously, in terms of value for money, we did get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products not including the free setting spray. So that makes it 11. So is it a good value for money? Because are these just like testers? I honestly don't know. Yeah, I don't understand this box. This might be the worst box we've had this year, including all of the other terrible boxes. But I think this might be the worst. I don't understand this. This to me, like this, such a cute idea. Put this in with something else. Put this in with some primer. Or, I don't, honestly, I would have actually genuinely been more pleased with Bad Bitch Juice Box. And that really is saying something. Overall, I'm going to give this one, I honestly don't think it deserves more than a 3.5. This is just, it feels tacky. It feels like tact. The products inside will be great and I will use them, like I said. But yeah, I hate this box. I'm not going to lie. Hopefully next month's box will be better. Let me know, what do you think of this box? Are you as pissed off about this as me? Did you not buy it? I'm not even looking at the sneak peeks anymore because I've decided I'm buying it till April so I can do my big roundup video. I'm not even looking at the sneak peeks. I'm just not. I'm just ignoring them because I don't want to know what horrors persist, basically. So let me know about this box. Would you have been pleased with this? I am really intrigued. I don't know whether loads of people are going to be like, you're being so harsh, that's so cute, or whether everybody's going to agree with me. So let me know in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. If you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. Don't forget, if you do want to see more P.Louise Budget Box content, I'm going to leave my last 10 months of unboxings in a playlist in the description box. We're getting there soon. I will be able to film my yearly roundup video of them and basically tell you whether this box is worth it or not. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I love you all lots. You've been fabulous. I've been Coleoftheball, and I'll see you next time. Bye.